all in the physics lecture. We are studying lesson number 4, thermodynamics. In the last session, we have seen internal energy, thermodynamic process and thermodynamic system. We know that there is a transfer of internal energy between system and surrounding. So, in this session, we will study relation between heat and internal energy. As we know that heat is the form of energy and internal energy means the energy associated with random and disordered motion of molecules in the given system is known as the internal energy of the system. Now we will see the relation between heat and internal energy. Now consider this diagram. This is the glass of water. So here water is the system. This glass is the system's boundary and this is the environment. Okay. Here water is the system. This glass means system's boundary and the atmosphere around this system is the environment or the surrounding. Now Ts is the temperature of the system. Okay, Ts is the temperature of this system and Te is the temperature of this environment. Okay. Now consider temperature of system is 70 degrees Celsius and temperature of environment is 30 degrees Celsius. As we know that there is an exchange of energy between system and surrounding. So heat energy is transferred from higher concentration to lower concentration. Okay, as we know that there is an exchange of energy between system and surrounding. So heat energy is transferred from higher concentration to lower concentration. That means from the system to the surrounding. Because temperature of the system is 70 degrees Celsius and temperature of environment is 30 degrees Celsius. So heat energy is transferred from system to the environment or the surrounding. And if the temperature of the system is not equal to temperature of the environment, so the temperature of the system will change until both the temperatures are equal. Okay, as this Ts is not equal to Te, then this Ts will change until both the temperatures are equal, and at that time thermal equilibrium condition is maintained between system and environment. Okay, and at that time thermal equilibrium condition is maintained between system and environment. Thermal equilibrium condition means Ts is equal to Te. That is, temperature of the system is equal to temperature of the environment. That means thermal equilibrium condition is maintained between system and the surrounding. And this change in temperature is caused due to transfer of internal energy between system and the environment. Okay, this change in temperature is caused due to transfer of internal energy between system and the environment. There are three cases depending upon the exchange of internal energy between system and its environment. So the first case is energy flows into the system. That means energy is transferred from environment to the system. Now consider Ts is the temperature of the system and Te is the temperature of the environment, and Q is the energy transferred between system and the environment. Now consider temperature of the system is 20 degrees Celsius and temperature of the environment is 80 degrees Celsius. So heat energy is transferred from environment to the system, that is from higher concentration to lower concentration. So in this case system gains the energy. Okay, in this case the system gains the energy. So if Ts is less than Te, that means temperature of the system is less than temperature of the environment, then the energy transferred between system and environment is always positive. Okay, Q is always positive, that is Q is greater than 0. If Ts is less than Te, then Q is always positive. Now the second case is energy flows from the system. That means energy is transferred from the system to the environment. Now consider the temperature of the system is 80 degrees Celsius and temperature of the environment is 20 degrees Celsius. So in this case the heat energy is transferred from system to the environment, that is from higher concentration to lower concentration. So in this case, system loses the energy. Okay, in this case, system loses the energy. So if Ts is greater than Te, that means temperature of the system is greater than temperature of the environment, then energy transferred between system and environment is always negative. That is, Q is less than 0. Okay, as energy flows from the system, so the energy transferred between system and environment is always negative. And the third case is no transfer of energy. If the temperature of the system is equal to temperature of the environment, that is Ts is equal to Te, and that is nothing but the thermal equilibrium condition. If the temperature of the system is equal to temperature of the environment, so in this case there is no transfer of energy, because the temperature of the system is equal to temperature of the environment, and therefore the energy transfer between system and the environment is equal to 0, because Ts is equal to Te. So we can conclude that when energy flows into the system, in that case system gains the energy, and the energy transferred between system and environment is always positive, that is Q is greater than 0. When energy flows from the system, then Q is always negative and system release the energy or system loses the energy, and Q is less than 0. Okay, and the third case is no transfer of energy. That means if Ts is equal to Te, then the energy transfer between system and environment is always equal to 0. That is Q is equal to 0. So we can define heat is the energy that is transferred between system and the environment due to temperature difference that exists between system and the environment. Okay, so heat is the energy that is transferred between system and environment due to temperature difference that exists between system and the environment. Okay, and this energy transferred between system and environment, it is denoted by the letter Q.